Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Hina. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good,
Good morning.
ma'am. How about you?
I'm also good. Switch on to your videos, all of you good children.
Ma'am, that moral value I got. That was I was telling you
Which one?
that in life skills, ma'am.
Okay, then you tell me in life skills class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Hinda, ready? Public speaking. Okay, today I'm going to give you an instant topic to everybody. Okay, I'll give you some time. You prepare, okay? And then you speak about it. Ready for it? Start. Those who are present, we
Okay,
will
ma'am.
start. Okay. Hina, your topic is my grandfather. You have a grandfather?
Yeah, no, ma'am.
You don't have a dada, nana?
No, ma'am.
Nobody is there? Grandmother?
Yes.
Okay, write about grandmother. Start writing. 3 minutes I'm giving you. Next, Bilal. My family. Okay?
What about my family, ma'am?
Write about your family. You have to speak about your family. Topic speak. You want another topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me which topic would you want me to give you? Any of your choice? Give me. I'll tell you right on that.
Ma'am,
Madina, you
animals.
also think. Hinda, you also think. If you have any topic in mind, I'll give you the same.
Ma'am, animals, ma'am.
Okay, write on animals, but not long stories. हाँ? तुम जंगल
Yeah.
तक पहुंच जाते हो पूरे. थोड़ा short. Okay. Hinda, what topic you like to speak?
Ma'am, any topic there.
I'll
Good
give
morning,
you.
ma'am.
Shall I give you?
Ma'am, can I do animals?
What, beta Arhan?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ikra.
Ma'am, can I do animals?
I'm not getting your word, Arhan. Can I do
Animals.
animals? Okay, start. And Madiha, have you chosen any topic? Madiha?
Ma'am, which topic have you given
Yes,
me?
wait, I'm just removing the topic. Can you write about the best day of my life?
Okay, ma'am.
You can try on that.
Ma'am, it's
Yes.
too big.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Madiha,
Good morning,
you
Yes.
will write about.
Good morning, ma'am.
Do you like to read books?
What?
You like to
Ma'am,
read
what
books?
we are doing?
Madiha, do you like to read books, beta?
Yes.
Okay, so can you write about books on books? Yes.
Okay.
All right. And Hamza, you have to write on the topic.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, wait, I am thinking.
What, beta?
Wait, I am thinking.
I'm giving you a topic. You don't have to think. I'm giving everybody a topic. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You write about my picnic. Any picnic if you have gone in school sometime earlier. Can you write about that picnic? Yes. Hamza, start. And Musa, you will write about importance of teacher in your life. All right. How important is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
teacher in your life?
Very.
Everybody knows their topic, beta. All of you, can you start writing? Ikra, your turn.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
We are writing about the topic and then you will speak about the topic. Okay? Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Ikra, can you write about online learning is fun? Online learning is fun. Understood? Can you write about that topic?
Okay.
Yes, you can write about the school you have joined, write about all the teachers. Every teacher teaches in a different way, how you enjoy. Now, Nida, your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
You like any superpower, Nida? Superpower?
No, ma'am.
You
No.
don't like superpower. Okay. My favorite toy? Nida?
Okay. Okay.
Start. All of you, I've given you a topic. Start writing. Those who have joined now can ask me for the topic. I will give you the topic. Madhya, you don't have to do flower. I have given you some topic. Please do that. Then don't ask me for the topic, beta. Last time also you did flower. Start writing, all of you, quickly. At least 5 to 7 lines. How many lines? 5 to 7 lines. Yes. Bilal, you slept or what?
No, ma'am, I am writing.
Okay, okay. The video is off. That is why. Madhya, switch on to your video. Are you searching on this Google? Inda,
No.
all of y'all, 10, 15, I will ask you. Last 6 minutes to write. Write quickly. Okay? Hina has started writing. Arhan started, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Mohammad Zoeb, you have joined now. Mohammad Zoeb.
Yes.
Mohammad Zoeb, I have given a topic to everybody. Everybody is writing about that. Your topic is? My favorite food for breakfast. Okay? Is that clear? Yes? What is your favorite food or what do you like to eat in breakfast? Write 7 lines about it. How many lines? Are you there, Zohaib?
7 lines.
Yes, right. Start now. Quickly, beta. Hamza, write quickly, Hamza. Sarah, are you there? Sarah? Sarah Iqbal? Sarah, are you there?
Done, ma'am.
Who has completed?
Madina.
5 to 7 lines, not 2 lines. 5 to 7 lines. Okay? If you have written,
I done 6 lines.
yeah, okay.
Ma'am, I done 10 lines.
Okay, wait for few minutes. 10, 15, I will ask everybody. Read your topic. Read what you have written. Check whether it is right or wrong. See if there is any mistake, beta. What happened, Hinda?
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, last line I am writing. Last
just
line.
one last minute I'm giving everybody. Be ready.
Ma'am, can I go to the bathroom?
Yes. Come quickly, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done. No, wait, let everybody finish, beta. Okay, let's start with Hinda. Hinda, please tell us your topic and read about it. 1 minute, wait. Nida, come back to your place. Zoheb, sit straight. Madiha, switch on your video.
Done.
All of you sit straight, please. Okay, Hinda, can you start? First tell us your topic and start reading.
My topic is the best day of my life. As of now, I feel the best day of my life would be the day when school reopens, because somehow I miss my fellow my friends, my teacher, and my school. Bus and my school. Tiffin, maybe we could gather together and enjoy, play, learn. I really missed my school days now somehow I realized.
Okay, the school days were the best day of your life, right? Best days of your life. Is it? Very good. Okay.
Yes.
Next is Musa.
Teachers have an important role. The teachers
Musa, 1 minute.
Uh,
Musa, 1 minute. Just one moment. First, tell me your topic's name clearly.
my topic's name is teachers.
Teacher.
Teachers
What
have
is
an
the importance of
important-
teacher in your life? Yes.
Teachers have an important role. They teach us and they help you in difficult questions and etc. And they teach us new things. They explain if we have difficult problems.
Okay. Also, what else do you feel with a teacher? Musa, can you add one line? Okay. Yes. We love our teachers. Likho. We love. Write it down. We love and respect our teachers for their care and concern. Love and respect our teachers for their care and concern towards us. Towards us. TOWARDS. Towards us. Is that clear? Yes? All right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, can I say mine?
1 minute, Bilal. Hold on. Next is Madiha. I'll call out your name.
My topic name is books. Books play a very important role in our life. They are like our friends. They give us knowledge. As we read more books, our English improve. So I like to read books.
Very good, Madiha. Good girl. Bilal, your turn. What was your topic, Bilal, beta?
Ma'am, giraffes.
I told you about giraffes.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am, animals.
We never told him giraffe. He always writes about something different. I told you animals, Bilal.
Yes, ma'am. You told me animal, and I also told you that I would. You told me that I could write about any animal, so I told I would write about giraffe.
No, we have not discussed all this. Okay, in that I just gave you topic. We never discussed that you write about giraffe. You already have told us about giraffe earlier. Yes or no?
No.
No, lions. I think you have told us.
Yes, lions,
Okay,
tigers.
start
and
about
leopards.
giraffe.
Giraffes are animals with long necks and strong legs. Although they are not fast, they use their strong legs to kick predators like lions as high as 7 feet
Slowly,
in the
thoda
air.
slowly. We can't understand. Slowly.
They use their strong legs to kick predators like lions as high as 7 feet in the air, comma. As they are shown in cartoons, they are not yellow but brown in color.
Color.
Although they are calm animals, giraffes can get extremely protected of their young if they sense danger. They are found in the African savanna.
Okay, very good. Nice. Very informative. From where did you Google it and you got it?
No, ma'am, I use my imagination.
Oh, very nice. Next is Arhan beta. Arhan, are you there, bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
You're saying about animals?
Yes.
Okay. You want to type it? Because your voice is not clear, no? Can you hear him? Let us, okay, you try. We'll try to hear you.
One day, two goats tried to cross a weak and narrow bridge across the river. The goats are.
He is telling story.
Story, yeah. Arhan, this is a story, beta.
Ma'am said story.
What?
I thought it was story.
Sorry?
I thought it was story.
I cannot understand what you're saying.
Ma'am,
I
he thought
thought it is a story.
Yeah, we have
I
not
thought
told you
it was
story, beta. I told you to write about animals. Can you write it down? Can I give you 5 minutes? Okay. Next is Mohammad Hamza. Start.
Okay, ma'am. My topic is my picnic. I go in a bus on picnic and I go to the park. The buses, there are very traffic and there are very few.
You have not written anything. Show me a book. You have not written anything. Yes?
And I thinking.
No. Why?
thinking.
What you thinking? See, everybody is writing. See, I will
I
show you.
forgot
Wait,
it.
listen to me. See this. If you don't know how to write, you can go on Google. I will show you. Search from there. Don't sit like that and waste your time. I will show you how to search. Listen to me, Hamza. Okay?
And I know how to search.
Just wait. I'm opening the page. Are you there, Hamza? Hamza?
Yes.
Go on
Yes,
Google.
ma'am.
You can type my picnic. And all of you listen. If you all don't know how to write, go like this. Standard, you can write 3, enter. You will get a lot of this, okay, sites which are sharing. Go on this site. My school picnic. Did you get this? Yes, can you see? Essay on school picnic 2, 300 words. So you can choose from these whichever you want, write from this. Okay, is that clear? If you think this is hard, go back. If you find this hard, go back. Go on images. Can you see images? Sometimes they paste on images also. It is not given, I think it is given. No, it's not given. All right, it's better you go on all. Okay, all. Go down, check for some other site. Essay on my school picnic. See this. All right. My school picnic essay will be helpful for students in classes 7, 8. Okay. Is that clear? Are you all getting me? What I said? See this picnic essay which is given. A school picnic is a memorable event in a student's life as they are freed from the mountains of work during this occasion. The school picnic consists of good company, best weather, lovely food, all in the span of one occasion. Okay, the school picnic starts at 10 a.m. and continues the day with beautiful places to go and enjoy. The students are asked to bring food of their choices like cake, fruit, food, okay, that they like the most. Teachers play a lot of games. A lot of games with the students, and the students are very happy that they don't have to follow any kind of discipline at all. When you go to the picnic, have you got to study over there?
No, ma'am.
No, you can enjoy yourself. Have you seen your teachers behaving like children in the picnic? Yes? Yes? Yes or no? Yes, they also enjoy themselves. They don't come in formal clothes. Okay? They wear a jeans, a t-shirt, a hat, cap.
Their favorite
Yes?
clothes. They wear their
Yes.
favorite clothes.
So you see them also enjoying themselves, being casual with you. So Hamza, you understood how to search and write?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good boy. So tomorrow you show me what you have written about my school picnic. Next is Nida.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Nida,
tomorrow is holiday.
that
Tomorrow
is
is
next
holiday.
class he will tell me beta. Next class. Tomorrow means next class.
My favorite toy car. My favorite toy is car. It is like a BMW car.
It
It
is like
is
a,
yellow color and has black window.
okay,
I got it on my birthday.
okay,
My uncle gave it to me. It can move very fast. It is a remote control car. It has a chargeable battery. I like to play with my car. I am so happy it is mine.
okay. Completed, Nida? Very good girl. Very good. Okay. Next is Hina.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I start?
After Hina, Ikra, okay?
Okay, ma'am. My grandmother. I love my grandmother. My grandmother has taken care of me ever since I was born. My grandmother likes me and does everything for me. My grandmother is my great inspiration. I spend with her every evening after I return from school. I was very sad because my grandmother has gone to Mumbai for wedding. Then too I love her very much.
Very
Then,
nice, Hina. Very good girl. Very good. Ikra?
yes, ma'am. Can I start?
Yes, what is your topic, bacha?
My topic is on my fun online class.
Okay.
I love my online class. I miss my school. I love my teachers. We play games and we are happy. My favorite teachers are Nargis ma'am and science ma'am. And I will be a doctor. I am 100% sure I will be a doctor. I will study and I will be a doctor. My father wish is also I will do.
Okay.
Thank you.
Very good girl. Good girl. Next is who? Who is left, beta? Arhan? Yes, Arhan. Mariam is absent, no? Mariam is not well.
Ma'am, Sarah.
Sara is not answering. I called out her name 2-3 times. She's not answering. I sent her a message also. Please mute your calls. I had sent a message to Sara. Nobody is replying. Okay, Arhan, start now. I'm
Ma'am,
muting
sorry.
everybody.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. Sorry, Sarah just joined late.
Yes, but at least you all can read the message and reply, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did not see. I'm extremely sorry. Actually,
No
she lost
problem,
the
no
specs.
problem. And because if she is not attending, she is missing the class, right?
Yeah, yes.
Yes,
I'm
and
very
we have
sorry.
started.
She lost.
We have-
She's she's lost her specs, so she cannot be able to see. That is why she's a bit.
That is difficult
tense.
without the specs. Yes, yes.
Yeah, that is
Okay,
why
okay.
she is tense too. Okay.
Acha. Okay, no problem.
We are searching. Just find.
Okay, you all have kept it somewhere and you all are not getting it. No problem.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Arhan, beta, you can start, Babu.
My topic is about food.
My
What is it? About
Topic is about food.
about food. Okay, okay, food.
Oh, goat.
Goat.
Yes.
GOAT, goat. Ayo, can you remove your headset and speak?
I can't.
No, but this is not clear. We cannot understand. Can you understand?
Can I join from phone?
Please join from phone. Join from phone. Please join from the phone and say, I cannot understand, bacha. Everybody is completed. Mohammad Zoheb. Are you there?
Ma'am.
Come on, start. Tell me your topic and start reading, beta. My favorite food for breakfast I gave you.
No, pizza.
But I told you to write on that topic, no? My favorite food for breakfast. Okay, start.
Okay. My
Yes, ma'am.
favorite food is pizza.
Oh,
It is from bread, vegetable, pizza.
that bread is called pizza base. Okay? Yes?
His
voice is cracking.
Voice is cracking. Yes, bacha, wait 1 minute. Just wait. Let this Zoheb complete. Zoheb, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Complete.
Pizza taste is great.
Pizza taste is great.
Okay.
We can make different types of pizza.
Very good. Very good. All right. Good boy. Very good boy. Next, Arhan, start.
Goat is a useful and a domestic animal which was tamed by humans from a very long time. Goat has 4 legs and a small tail and has horns on its head. The size can be from small to medium. Goat is an herbivorous animal, which means it eats grass, leaves, plants, fruit, vegetables, etc.
Very good.
Thank you.
Very good. Okay. I'm giving you one word. We are playing a small game. Last 5 minutes, quickly.
Yes.
Now let's see who wins. Okay. I'm giving you a word. You have to make small words from that word. Is that clear? Understood?
Yes.
Start.
I'm right.
Yes, I'm writing. Is it? Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You all cannot
Yes,
see?
ma'am. Now we can see.
ma'am.
Water.
Watermelon.
Ma'am,
Hey, write in your books. Whoever,
Oh, okay,
whoever
ma'am.
writes 5 words is the winner. 5 words. No Google. Let's see who is first. Quickly.
Ma'am, how words can you give us the example?
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
What
Ma'am, done.
hours,
Can I take?
Hina? Break that
Ma'am, done.
watermelon, make words. Me, water. So many words you can make. Come on.
Ma'am, can I tell? I am done.
5 words completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God, Hina, scholar.
Ma'am, can
No,
I tell?
wait. No. Otherwise, they will copy your words.
Okay, ma'am.
Hold on.
Ma'am, done.
Second is Arhan. Only 3 winners are there. First, second, third.
Ma'am, I have made 2 words.
5 words, quickly. Don't be dumb, Bilal. You know. Make more words. Okay. Last ones, 1 minute. You'll write the words. Who has completed? One more person. 3 winners.
Ma'am,
Done,
can
ma'am.
you show the screen?
What do you want to see the screen?
But
Write the
the
word
photo-
watermelon, make words.
Done,
please.
ma'am. Ma'am,
There's
Madhya
nothing,
is
it's not
third.
an answer. We are playing a game, Hinda.
Ma'am, Madhya is third. Arani is second. I am first.
Okay, Madhya is third. Okay, we have 3 winners. First is who? Hina.
Yes.
Okay, Hina, tell me your words. 1 minute.
So many.
Ma'am, can I tell?
1 minute, wait.
seed
Okay, ma'am.
that can be used.
मैंने चौथा word बोला।
Its seeds are क्या मेरे को क्या
उसके बारे में नहीं बोलने का है।
Seeds
अंदर से ऐसा
Come on,
निकालने
tell
का
me.
watermelon तो water,
Okay,
melon,
ma'am.
lemon,
Ma'am, water,
Water,
weather.
weather. There is no
Yes,
H.
ma'am.
How can you make weather?
Ma'am, I'm done. I made 5 words.
Wait, Bilal. One person is talking. It's bad.
No,
manner.
ma'am. No weather.
Weather cannot
Ma'am.
come. Weather is wrong. Next.
Ma'am, no weather, ma'am. I
Let
have not
me see. You
written
have written. I have to show what you have written. Tell me next.
Winter.
Winter. How can you write winter, beta? Weather, watermelon में से ढूंढ के words बनाने. Winter कहाँ से आएगा? I किधर है? INT कहाँ है? I कहाँ है? N कहाँ है? N तो है. I, where is I? Next word.
Born.
Huh?
Born. W-O-N.
What?
One.
What she say?
Yes, ma'am.
What
I
bond?
won the game.
Watch. Won. W-A-R-N.
ma'am,
W-O-N.
ma'am,
One. What are you saying? One. Okay. Next word.
ma'am.
Can I see, ma'am?
Please wait, others.
Have
Have
a-
some patience. Next one. Hina.
लेने का
So Hina has only
Ma'am,
2
wire.
right words. Huh?
Wire.
Wire.
Yes.
Where there is I. Where is I? Watermelon has no I. Who is the second winner?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I say?
Second is Arhan. Arhan, tell me the words.
Yeah.
From watermelon.
Water.
Huh?
Water. Melon. Me.
On.
And that.
What?
80. At 80.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, Arhan. Next, who has written?
Ma'am, me.
Madhiya's turn.
Water, wet, me, melon, eat.
Wet, me, melon, and
Eat.
eat. Okay, very good,
Can I
Madhiya.
say? Can I say, ma'am?
Yes, Bilal, your turn.
Ma'am, lower,
Lower. Wait 1 minute. Lower.
meter.
Meter. METRE.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, toe,
TOW.
melt,
MELT.
lemon,
LEMON.
and wet, ma'am.
Very good. Bilal has found good words, new words. Very good. Next, who wants to
Ma'am,
try?
can I say?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Ikra.
can I-
Ikra. Ikra.
Yes, ma'am. Can I say? Can
Ikra.
I start?
Yes.
Watermelon, wide,
Watermelon. Wide.
yes,
There is no I.
wide, W-A-R-D.
W-A-R-D. There is no D, beta. It is ward. It is not wide. W-A-R-D is ward. It is not there. D is not there. Chalo, next word.
Ma'am, water paint.
Huh?
Water paint.
Wrong. From this word, you have to make words. इस वर्ड में जो भी अल्फाबेट्स है यूज करके वर्ड्स बनाना है. वाटर पेंट कहां से आ गया बेटा? From where did you get water paint? Hinda, start Hinda.
Ma'am, actually what, look ma'am. Water, melon, lemon, me, eat.
Sorry, wait 1 minute. I was typing in the wrong place. Water, melon,
Melon,
eat,
me,
me,
eat,
huh?
me.
W-E-V.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, not bad. At least you all have tried. Okay. So from next class, in the public speaking, I'll again give you all words. Make words from those words. Is that clear? Yes. Your brain works fast when you try to search for new words. Is that clear? And Tuesday, please be ready with your English test. Okay, oral test. All right. Bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Maori.
Maori catch the
ma'am.
sun. Maori
Bye,
catch
ma'am.
the sun. Yes, bye.